In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a badge on Roblox. So this should be a quick and easy process video. And step 1, just access the create page, log into Roblox, go to Roblox website and log into your account. Go to create, click on the create button at the top of the page. This will take you to the create page where you can manage your games and assets. Select your game, go to my creations. Under my creation section, find the game you want to create a badge for. Click on the gear icon next to your game to open the settings menu. And step 3, create a badge. In the settings menu, look for badges option, click on it, create a badge, and then design your badge. Give it a name, description, and the image should be a square. And there you have it, you have created your badge for Roblox. And as always, thank you for watching.